Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to change header on Tumblr mobile. Firstly, open up the application and then go up into your profile section. When you get up right here, just tap on your header on your setup. Click on it and it will shows up two options: change your header image or view your header image. Now you need to go for the first selection, which is change. Go for that change section. You can go and choose a photo if you want. Now go allow, get these permissions on, then go select the site on it, and then it will shows up that reposition if you want. Simply, yeah, you can just simply choose it, go apply and go save. And now guys, as you can see, we have changed our header on Tumblr mobile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.